Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into the house of Zaharoff. And in particular, we have Signature Bloom, right? Signature Bloom. Signature Bloom. I did smell a little bit of this, but not enough to either remember it or to even know where we're going with it. So we're just going to pretend it's fresh and brand new. Definitely hit the like, subscribe, stay connected. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this straight into the back of the wrist. Oh, boom. There it is. Ready. Ready for it. Okay. Okay, this is that jasmine. It seems like every house kind of has like this type of experiment going on. This is your I don't even know. I'm going to guess, right? This is your jasmine, orange blossom, citrus, linen fragrance. Okay, I don't know the notes. All right, but it'd be very interesting to see how close I am. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull up what we got here. It's a nice fragrance though. It's a nice fragrance. You have white floral, amber, sweet, woody, yellow floral, oud, lactonic. There's a new one. Floral, warm spice. There's the bottle. Bam. Look at that. Interesting. Got flowers all over it. Flowers all over it. All right. Focus. You have gardenia, star jasmine, coconut in the top. I love me some coconut. You have your Egyptian jasmine, orange blossom. Look, where are we at? I said orange blossom, jasmine. What was the other one? I can't remember. Red peony. And in the base, you have jasmine again, ylang, myrrh, oud, olibanum, sandalwood, cane sugar, and bourbon vanilla. Bourbon vanilla. Man, it is 30 degrees outside and the wind is blowing like it's pissed off. This dude has shorts on. This is nuts. Anyway, focus. Oh, and amber in the middle notes. I think I skipped over that one. This is a nice fragrance. I think it's a fragrance definitely feminine. Definitely lends feminine. I don't think there's nothing in here really redeeming for a guy, in my opinion. It's a very soft jasmine. I think I said citrus. There's no citrus, but there is coconut. And you know, I can kind of detect it. It's kind of like the coconut ice cream coconut. It's not coconut milk. It's not coconut shavings. It's kind of like the coconut ice cream that you would get, that nutty, sweet. It's like a slight nuttiness, slight sweetness to it. It's kind of hard to blend because there's so much jasmine in here and then the orange blossom as well. I think this is a beautiful fragrance. I would say this is feminine, but definitely youthful. I would say, probably you could probably get away with this from like 16 to like 25. After that, you probably want to grow out of it. You'd probably find something. I don't even think it'll stick around that long because by then, if you start at 16, your palate will probably be so developed outside of this being like a love, right? Like if it's one of your favorites, then it's always going to be there. But anyway, yeah. Hold on, there's been a development. Something else is coming through. I don't know what that is though. I think it's the sandalwood, which is really rounding this out, giving it some sophistication and some bass. This is good. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this went from an okay to a very, very good fragrance. Yes. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm going to up my age range. I would say from 16 to 35, which is insane. That is an insane age range, but not 35, 16 to 30. And I think, side note, I think you can get away with more playful fragrances and hotter, more playful environments. Right? So like, whereas like at 35, you probably wouldn't wear this. In the winter, you could easily wear this in the summer, if that makes sense. Anyway, those are my interpretations, my impressions when I pressed on the atomizer. It's a nice fragrance. One of the better fragrances for sure from the house of Zaharoff. No question about it. This is up there. This is one of their I would say B tier fragrances for sure. I smelled a lot of C plus stuff, C minus stuff. This is definitely B, B minus, B plus, somewhere, B, B minus, somewhere in there. That Seraphim and red and blue, those are definitely A tier fragrances. So just for reference. Anyway, yeah, this is developing. It's getting quite nice. I like this. So those are my interpretations, impressions. Stay connected. Hey, there's a newsletter that drops every month. Check it out. It's in the description below. Stay connected. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.